Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious moi moi from the comfort of your home. So, if you are new here, my name is Oyin Kosola. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on your notification button so as to get notification of my new video. Without wasting our time, let's get started. For the list of ingredients, I'm using white beans. I'm also using real bell pepper, also known as tatashe. I also have some rodo, also known as scotch bonnet. In here, I also have bawa as one of my ingredients. I also have my mackerel fish. You can use any type of fish if you do not want to use mackerel fish. I also have onion. Onion is a very important ingredient. I've got my boiled egg as well. The next thing is to peel our beans. I just pour my beans into water and I kept on peeling the beans and sieving out the water until I have my fine peeled beans. Next is to clean our pepper, tatashe, bawa and rodo. Make sure to remove all the dirt inside the tatashe. I also have my onion sliced, cut and washed as well. Now it's time to blend our peeled beans, pepper and onions together. So in here, I'm pouring my peeled beans inside my blender and I also added my clean pepper and onion and I'm going to give that a good blend. Into a bowl and pouring the blended mixture. You can see how it looks so nice and it's looking so reddish in color. Yeah, it's time to boil our mackerel fish. I'm just adding seasoning to it, as you can see, maggi, salt and the rest. And I'm going to allow that cook for some minutes. Back to our blended mixture. I'm just giving that a good stir, and in here I have my maggi and salt. I want to mix it with hot water just to dissolve the maggi before pouring it inside our mixture. Then I added the maggi dissolved in water into the beans mixture. Then I gave that a good stir. Then I added my blended crayfish and I also mixed that together as well. Next is to add groundnut oil. Make sure you do not add too much groundnut oil to that. I'm using moi moi cup for my moi moi. I'm just cleaning it here and I'm oiling it so as to make the moi moi easy to remove. Then I poured my moi moi batter into the moi moi cup. And here I already served all my moi moi batter inside my moi moi cup. Then I added my mackerel fish into each of the cups. Before adding it, I already deboned the fish. Then I added egg into the cups as well. And now it's time to cook the batter, the moi moi batter. So I'm just placing my moi moi cup into my already boiled water. Then I cover that and I'm going to allow that to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Then our moi moi is ready. You can see how it looks so soft and succulent. Thank you so much for joining me on this. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.